Try these questions from one CXC, CSEC multiple choice mathematics examination. Remember, calculators are not allowed in this exam. To get the most out of this video, pause it here and resume when you have an answer for each question. Okay, let's go. Question 32. Area of a sector is equal to the angle that the sector forms over the total angle 360 degrees multiplied by the area of the circle. Therefore, the area of this minor sector AOB is equal to 60 over 360 degrees multiplied by the area of the circle, which is given as 20. The answer is A. There's 1000 millimeters in 1 meter. Therefore, 1 millimeter is equal to 1 over 1000 meters. And 2500 millimeters is equal to 1 over 1000 multiplied by 2500. Cancelling. 100 into 1000 is equal to 10. 100 into 2500 is equal to 25. We get 25 over 10. 25 divided by 10 is equal to 2.5. The answer is B. Question 34. The volume of a cylinder is equal to the area of the circle multiplied by the height. Therefore, the volume is equal to pi r squared multiplied by height, which is equal to pi. We're given that the diameter is equal to 6 centimeters, thus the radius is equal to 3 centimeters, by 3 squared multiplied by 20 is equal to pi by 3 squared is 9. 9 by 20 is 180. Pi by 180, which is equal to 180 pi. The answer is A. Question 35. The distance around the edge of a circular pond is 88 meters. That means that the circumference is 88 meters. The circumference is given by 2 pi r. Therefore, 2 pi r is equal to 88 meters. We are asked to determine the radius. Making r the subject of the formula, we divide by 2 pi on both sides. The 2 pi's would cancel to remain with r on the left hand side. R is equal to 88 over 2 pi. Further cancelling, 2 into 2 pi, pi, 2 into 88, 44. We get 44 over pi. The answer is D. Question 36. Average speed is equal to distance over time. Therefore, distance is equal to multiplying by time on both sides. Distance over time multiplied by time, times would cancel to remain with distance. So we have distance is equal to average speed multiplied by time. The average speed is given at 550 kilometers per hour. And the time is equal to the difference between 1930 hours and 1600 hours, which is 3 hours and 30 minutes. 3 hours and 30 minutes is the same as 3 hours and a half. 3.5 is equal to the distance. Ignoring the decimal point for the while, 35 multiplied by 550. 5 5s are 25. 3 5s are 15 plus 2 is 17. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 7 plus 1 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 3.5 multiplied by 550 has a total of 1 decimal places, so the answer has 1 decimal place. Distance is equal to 1925. The answer is D. Question 37. The volume of this cuboid is equal to the base, the square base, multiplied by the height. We are given that the volume is equal to 320 cubic centimeters. Therefore, 320 is equal to the base, which is a square, so that's side squared, multiplied by the height, which is 5. We need to make the side the subject of the formula. We need to make S the subject of the formula. Divided by 5 on both sides. These 5s will cancel to leave S squared on the right hand side. And 320 divided by 5, short division. 5 into 32 is equal to 6. 6 5s are 30 with 2 remaining. 5 into 20 is equal to 4. You get 64. So S squared is equal to 64. We find the square root, because the square root of S squared will give us S. So we find the square root of both sides. S is equal to 8. 8 squared is equal to 64. The answer is A. Question 38. The rectangle has sides of 9 centimeters and 16 centimeters. Therefore, the area of the rectangle is equal to 9 multiplied by 16, which is equal to, multiplying 16 by 9, 6 by 9 is 54. 9 is 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. The area of the rectangle is equal to 144 centimeters squared. It is said that the square has the same area, so the square has an area of 144 centimeters squared. The area of a square is equal to side squared, so side squared is equal to 144 centimeters squared. Therefore, one side is equal to the square root of 144, which is equal to 12 centimeters. The answer is B. Question 39. 2 centimeters represents 8 kilometers. We're going to convert kilometers to centimeters because we want them in the same units. We know that 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. And we know that 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. So it follows that 100,000 centimeters is equal to 1 kilometer. So 2 centimeter represents 800,000 centimeters. Therefore, 1 centimeter represents 2 centimeter divided by 2 is 1. So 800,000 centimeters divided by 2 is 400,000. The same units, we have a scale of 1 to 400,000. The answer is D. I am Mr. Dube. Post a comment. Let me know how you are managing. If you found this video useful, please like this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Join me in the next video.